Choose your fighter.
But Jashii him now. Jashii him I go on like he want to apologize. Jashii had look something to get a hype off of now because Jashii career dey on a downfall, you know. From Jashii boss how much? About 3 songs. Jashii thing get shaky and lily down.
You
see me? He water down. So right now I run back a Masicka and he feeling strength. In my blood clot cause of this, you know.
How long Madsuss dey in jail?
Same time like Cartel.
Same time like Cartel. Dog, I don't know if I'm me alone, you know, dog, but Johnny or you, I have to say it, dog. I watch the man live, Zane, and just the man body language and the way how him talk, dog, sound real fucking shaky, dog.
Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid.
First thing first, I want to do a shout out to the subscribers, then big up on yourself. All the viewers, big up on yourself. Welcome back to another episode of Rap and Chat with Naz and
Tricks done done.
Yes, my people, where are they with?
There, my dear.
Yo, people, last night the man touched Baltimore.
Baltimore, you.
Well,
Yeah, talk about Baltimore.
yo, the Gaza boss day in that place and the man say, yo, I go there, what you do? And I said, dog, I'm busy. Busy, man. So, alright, I'm going to take some footage and make you know what's going on. So, yo, before we go no further and I show me G,
yeah, man.
I want to know what going on last night in
Dog.
Baltimore.
What you say? I'm from Portmore. And where she gone? Come here, girl. What's this like? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot. Next shot. When it's sweet, yo. What you say? See there. Thank you. Why to the be everything please? My good love make a turn and twist again. Find the punani. Why to the be one more one last one. Be ready. When you look back at you, I'm in that doggy side. Puppy this far. I got you so hot you need the fire fever. If you can't do it off, girl, have a pussy, go on, grab it, let go, quick, slow on, go down. Bumbo clap ready. Many people the post in the day. And the pump and the mind. Rocking song. But she can't see it. The man will take away. It's everything for you. It's everything for you. Yeah, you're rolling. It's everything for you. Look, it's into the mayor, should I say? She never before school, she got it. Your pussy feel like summer, but you're coming down around Queenside. See this in the north, yeah? Well, you want to rub it hard, you don't be nice. That means you feel white, that means all the pussy die. So put it on the left, and then take it on the right. People never right, still it up in a me try. One titty appetite, and then they get a bite. See them a do not see me and a rap go by. I'll be that thing. The best night because she's the iris. Spice me the gears of the rich in the you are my mister, you are my miss. Give me with the cocky, give me with the triness. Whisper something like this. King of Lady,
torn up. You see me? For all our people them who always a say, cartel can this, cartel can that, bro.
Yeah, me one of the people them.
You have done it.
Why? Why you
My
feel so?
youth, when the man start perform, dog, the man take one break. The man have so much songs in his catalog. Pure hits, bro. Hits after hits after hits. And you know when you got some stage show, bro, you hear, man, them a play a rhythm, and you hear like a singing in their back.
Yeah.
None of that, dog. Everything we hear, I'm man voice you hear, bro. If a man not say nothing, you not hear nothing.
So you enjoy the show, dog. Target true. Nobody can sweet it up.
Sweet
now.
up your motherfucking dog. The show was sweet.
Yeah.
We get a good seat still, you know.
So you could have said everything.
Everything. Spice, Cartel, Black Rhino, Ja Vinci. Everybody, bro. Everybody.
So you go on good.
Dog, it was sensational.
Yo, me not have nothing
Is
bad
it?
to say no that. Big man thing.
Yeah, man.
I'm glad you get the experience still, cause you don't know, you're a loyal sheep.
Blood clear talk, but dog, remember, yo, me I see Cartel fan. Me I see Cartel fan before
Yeah.
he got prison, you know, bro.
Eh?
Yeah.
Well, I mean say you're loyal, dog, so you can't, what you gonna do? You're loyal, so just accept it. You're loyal,
Yeah,
bro.
man, talk about sheep. I'm sitting for him.
See the other that the show is about still. We just want to look, you see me?
Yeah, man.
But you don't know, we have a whole lot to talk about.
Holy.
Yeah, man, you play it full, dog. You play it full, because you don't know.
I'm going to give dog them some. And the crocodiles.
Yo, it smell like some kind of war day in a year, you know. What do you think? The atmosphere full of energy.
Bro, no war now in a year. And reason why me say that, everybody I try push war to Cartel.
Yeah.
And this podcast is not about Cartel. This podcast is about Masicka,
Madsuss.
Madsuss,
Yeah.
Nuffy,
Yeah.
and lyrical Falabaka, Jashii.
No, that
Is
you
it
can't
me?
style the man, so that.
Yeah.
You can't style the man, so.
Watch me now, man.
Also, Rvssian and Ashley.
Stalk Ashley and Rvssian. Me everybody I say, yo, you know, Cartel this and Cartel that and Masicka and this and man and well, me hear a man say look like Masicka afraid of Cartel and me agree.
Do you agree with that?
Of course.
Brother, if you agree with that.
Me agree.
Brother, you
see
can't
me?
agree with that. If you notice, I'm going to stop right there for a second. If you notice Masicka track record, Zane, Masicka always a sing gun lyrics from ever since. Masicka always a say him the baddest thing. Now, me wouldn't want to say, yo, him afraid of Cartel. Masicka is a man who always just stay out and mix up. Even though him sing all of the bad song them and the gun song them and them something, he's a man who ride smooth from ever since, bro. You never hear them Monday, you don't know mix up until now, basically, when nothing call him name. So, me wouldn't say Masicka afraid of Cartel. It's just that the man knows, say, yo, he not really want to, inner the drama thing, bro. So, me feel like that him a prevent.
Alright, watch out. Me know Masicka. Me watch a lot of Masicka interviews. Enough time man talk about Masicka. Enough time man style Masicka. You know what Masicka always say? Him no follow the noise of certain things. So why him pick up this with Nuffy?
You know why?
Why?
Because remember, he just up on a show with Cartel in a something there, that.
Atlanta.
One of them. Yeah, him just up on a show. You see me, him always a big up Cartel. Now, the reason why him pick it up, dog, is because it seems like Nuffy has spread propaganda and the man a try cut that down for sure and say, yo, nothing no go so. So Nuffy come out now and I spread propaganda and false information, dog, and I like him and set up the thing. So that's why Masicka come out to make it clear.
Alright, Masicka come out to make it clear. So why Masicka answer Madsuss and Nuffy?
Because the man on a bait, man, youth. The man on a
If
bait,
feel
the
like
man.
Masicka genuinely want to say something about Cartel or say something to Cartel. That's how me feel.
You feel like he have no animosity because Cartel get crown king?
No, you have a whole heap of people who have animosity. Let me tell you this, you have your friend where you and him name, drink, smoke together, and the minute something happen for your way, in a shine in a for them favor is a problem to them. Watch this. Cartel come out from prison. And from Cartel come from prison, whole heap of them artists here. You not see them shine no more. You not hear nothing about them. You used to hear about the whole line man them. Beer Cartel did their prison and need a drop songs and whatever. But from Cartel come from prison. Enough of them man we used to hear song from round the clock. You not hear nothing about them, bro.
Because I man time for shine dog.
Which
the
man
a shine?
Which man time for shine?
Cartel a shine dog.
That-
So
that-
the man them a give him the glory. The man them a make him go and do him thing.
No, bro.
I just in glorious moment dog.
Them
And
can't keep up. And that's the thing, bro. Them
dog,
cannot keep up.
me hear them mention say the cartel effect. You see me?
Yeah.
What is the cartel effect, bro?
It's like you have a, just like how me hear Triple X say, you have 5 20-watt bulb. If you know watch the interview with Triple X,
that is a good example.
you have 5 20-watt bulb and you have one
100.
100-watt bulb.
Mm-hmm.
The 100-watt bulb go outshine the 5.
That go look brighter.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
Cartel is the 100-watt bulb and these little men are just on 20-watt bulb where they just a go so. I star them there.
No, dog.
Cartel a universe, bro. You have to understand that.
No, dog. But you know what? I'm not ever go deep into that because this cartel effect business, me not feel like it's no goddamn cartel effect. Me just feel like is his moment and him a do him thing and him a shine. You see me? And we respect that. But it's not an effect. Him in the spotlight, fine. We give him the glory. You see me? But the other artists, them just a relax because him man
Relax.
thing.
That be nice.
You mean that?
Let me tell you
Man,
something.
them a relax, bro.
I want man. And
them a
me
relax.
know say, I want man shouldn't even one man me see right now where worthy say yo, Rainbow Cartel or Expo Cartel.
I know.
And a vendetta boss, which is your a sheep off. And that the man the only man they have a right now. Cause guess what? That the man there has been a rival of Cartel from him boss till today.
Anyway, when me say still, then I go back to Madsuss and nothing. How long Madsuss been in jail?
Same time like Cartel.
Same time like Cartel. Dog, I don't know if I'm me alone, you know, dog, but Johnny or you, I have to say it, dog. I watch the man live, then, and just the man body language and the way how him talk, dog, sound real fucking shaky, dog. Dog, you know, hear the man voice, I me alone see it, dog.
No, dog, I just say, man, that to do,
Dog,
you can't judge a man by them demeanor, bro. No, so
if you see a swim around, you can tell a swim around. It look like the man up on the borderline. But to me, it look like him across it.
So why would you say that?
Dog, you know, watch the man. When man comes in and I respond to Masicka when Masicka say him is a cokehead. And him a go on and him a carry on, but just listen to the man, dog. The man, look like him up on the borderline and him slide off more over the border.
I don't think so, dog. Let me tell you this. You see people who you say act certain way, bro. People like them, they are dangerous people.
You know if it's a danger because guess what? We know say them man they go on with things with cartel.
No, but look at now.
So that is not really
so I mean,
when
you
you
say,
pinpoint.
No, where you pinpoint is remember say man do 13 years of prison, you know.
Yeah, that's why me kinda
Watch
say,
this
hey, remember you know that?
Watch out now.
Alright, before you go no further, checks. Remember, you know, I know me alone say it, you know, it's been out there.
No man, people
saying,
can't. People are going to say
everybody a cartel undercover man, as all them say.
Dog, everybody have an opinion.
Alright. Remember Sir P there on the case wicked and I talk about it. And one of the time Sir P show one video with Madsuss hand up and cartel run a back a ray. I mean I say yo, in truth and in fact the man and no need for that so when cartel a perform. Me see it.
Why video
I tell you what me see.
You want to cartel back so?
Yeah, you no need for hold on pan no man there so brother the man a perform bro.
Remember certain cartel just come from jail there. Cartel weak as fuck.
I don't give a fuck dog. You could have weak till you drop down.
Even
you don't need that no look like you hold up your man. It look like you do something else. But you
you know well want sitting for run with
no,
man. That man.
No.
You know well want sitting for run with bro.
You may answer that. You know Jout Masicka out of him shell. You see me? And Masicka try stay back and try avoid the whole thing. But Masicka,
so why Masicka answer Madsuss, Masicka answer when Nuffy. Listen, me just feel like Masicka wants to say something about cartel or say something to cartel. That's how me feel.
So, alright, so
that
you feel say it's supposed to go into the lyrical. We're talking about lyrical now. What you think about the clashing business? What you think? Because
it not go there, so bro.
we not endorse no violence, but dance are really kind of missing the look.
But Cartel not go do that. Listen, Cartel, you know where would I feel like? Let me show you something. Just like Real Dog. May I use Real Dog as reference? Watch this. Real Dog are one blood clot giant pan social media in a dog. TikTok, Instagram, Twitch. Zin? But Real Dog also boom now and he start mingle with a little man them where they don't have so. We have them little 10,000 and 20,000 followers. Zin? You see where Real Dog do? Real Dog open one gate or one door dog for these little men disrespect him. You see me? So you as a blood clot giant now, as like Vybz Kartel is a giant, you is a fucking pharaoh. And you go down to a level of peasants. For blood clot can talk up to you and say certain things to you.
Dog, disrespect
I would not, if I was Cartel,
disrespect Masicka.
I would not go down to the level of peasants. For these little men, dog, what Cartel do, some of them will never able.
They will.
Oh!
Time.
Which time?
Oh, you mean, dog, time of the master, bro. Time.
Some if two of them are going to prison right now.
Dog, you hear me tell you if stop talking about prison, bro.
Right now, then fall off. Me just assure you say, Cartel been to prison, but he never fell off.
Because of what? You know why? And we don't talk about that.
Why?
You mean, you corruption, bro?
Corruption, my blood clot.
Corruption, bro.
Father, man, they are prisoner use phone.
Fucking corruption. It's money.
One. You see that little man when I ground? Peasant them.
Yeah.
Them a little man that's all little run around.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
I listen to various artists. You see me? Masicka one of them when I read.
So
Alkaline,
me rate Masicka.
450. You
Me
see
rate
me?
Masicka.
So I now go hear you come diss up the crocodile, brother. Because guess what?
And a crocodile that dog.
Oh, you mean you can't call the man peasant? The man, the dog, got hits after hits.
Bro,
but
I'm
say, listen, you know, me not say, me not think the man afraid of no cartel, you know, brother. The man, I hear them people that talk about, yo, Masicka, afraid of cartel, When me think
you
still,
want to say something to cartel,
he want to say something, but me wouldn't say nothing either. Me just allow it, make it slide. But yo, this up nothing.
Well, he should allow it, make it slide
man.
enough for
No, because enough of them, bro. You see, enough of them, then too fucking enough. Enough if you get this. You see me? Because Nuffy want size up with artists. Nuffy an artist, bro. Right now, Nuffy.
That, man.
Listen,
Nuffy have a song right now
listen,
on the road.
Nuffy is an employee of Vybz Kartel. So was he of Sumfest. Now, Nuffy, not that Sumfest anymore. A boom boom. You see me? So guess what? Same like how you were an employee of Sumfest, you can become with Vybz Kartel. You were an employee, so enough if you go sit down and ease himself, bro.
Yo.
You see me? Masicka, dog. Masicka lyrically ready if a that. What do you mean?
In a Avi like Cartel, bro.
Dog, remember me tell you, dog.
Masicka bad, but Masicka not Avi like Cartel. And listen, a one man right now have a title as a young artist. If you run up to Cartel and say you want a feud, bro. One man.
I know.
A vendetta boss, brother. I only man that dog. When the man they are prison, when Cartel they are prison, I only man that did a big Cartel.
Well, that's true.
You see me?
Me understand
no
that.
other man there that do it. So no three man they are road now and the man up on the pedestal. You know, can go on like you want to run in. I don't say you go dog.
This minute, it's not about Alkaline, bro. Alkaline, never get this. Masicka, get the this by Nuffy. If a lyrical, me would love to see it still, you know. Me not lie. Lyrically. Don't tell me nothing.
Me don't want to see that.
Me want to see
Cartel.
That. Me want to see it. If a
lyrically. Cartel, if you see this, you're dog.
Dog, what long you have no
giant. Dog, you're a giant.
Alright.
You is a giant. Don't stoop to the levels of peasants.
Alright, you don't talk?
Yo.
You don't talk? Yo, hear me and say, Masicka.
Yeah.
Me want him respond lyrically. That me want. Me want him show the people them say man a coward dog. Fuck you all on. Just say yo fuck everything. Me listen to music so me have various artists. Masicka brother, me feel like Masicka have a step to them bro.
But Jashii him now. Jashii him I go on like he want apologize. Jashii had look something to get a hype off her now because Jashii career depend on a downfall, you know. Found Jashii boss how much? About 3 songs. Jashii thing get shaky and lily down.
You see,
You see
down.
me? He water down. So, right now, I run back a Masicka and he feeling strength. I my blood clot cause of this, you know.
I know him, dog, and nothing.
I my cause of
Enough
it,
of the
man.
bomber
I know him
rascal.
come go like he want to apologize. If you want to apologize, you have to go to your teacher and say, yo, Dancehall Pharaoh, I am sorry. I have made a mistake.
Fuck
And
that.
if he feel he forgive you, he forgive you.
What the Rvssian say, dog?
Alright, that's what I think.
Yeah, what the Rvssian? What the Rvssian say? Yeah, hear me answer, brother. Go to the man and say, bad man don't apologize to no. You see me? Take sizzle thing and do it. But hear me answer, dog. We can move on the car.
Alright.
Yo, the next thing we want to talk about, dog, Rvssian and Stalk Ashley and the storybook Redeem.
Yeah.
Valiant kind of in the mix still. But me have a
Bro.
bone to pick with that.
Valiant. I'm an artist, dog, but you shouldn't compare the woman them against no dog. I don't know if you did that on purpose, but the woman them are friends, brother. Say, yo, you put a dog in a mid-side, the remix, them. And a lot of people I say the dog win. So
Hold on,
if
what
the
you
dog
think?
are going to be your passenger princess, bro.
Hold on, I want to ask you a question now. So what you think the dog in the middle of the whole remix thing, what do you think it mean? What it come off
Bro.
as to you?
You know, to me, it not really come off as nothing, you know, to be honest. It me just feel like he just put the humor.
So what them use dog represent?
A bitch.
So you feel like that him suggest?
No, bro, me just feel like it was just a humor where it just turn out in a bad way.
Why the fuck you put a dog in the middle? That don't make no sense.
And
dog.
watch you know.
Me no think no
Me
dog
no-
for the night, bro.
Me no know and you no know how the dog come to get in there. Probably somebody make a remix and put the dog in there.
Yeah, but at the
Mhm.
same time, you as the artist who will put it out, should I know say dog, female are gonna look on that differently. But you
And
know,
we as Jamaican, we love humor, bro.
yeah,
we,
but
we
that's
like
not no humor.
fun-
I don't find that as humor.
If funny to me.
The funny thing.
Yes.
Yeah, my thing I'm going to say still about the whole thing. Zane, I'm going to ask you a question too.
Yeah.
Do you think that Rvssian should approve that song between Stalk Ashley and the remix with Stalk
Remix.
Ashley night?
I'm this type of person. And everything I see on social media, I believe in. Meaning, you see, as a marketer, you see, if you want something to be big, you make it bigger than what it is. You understand that?
Meaning?
Even if Rvssian was to say, yo, him a go approve the song, what them come and them a do now can make the song bigger than what it is already.
I
So,
understand that.
so me not really know if Stalk Ashley and Rvssian have a beef a go on, even though I've seen some stuff. People are say shit where Stalk Ashley has say shit, Rvssian has say shit. Like, it sound real, but
Yeah.
you see on social media, I want alternate universe in a bro way.
True. The negative.
Create.
Right. So instead of it get negative review, it push it further.
Yes.
But when you think personally, do you think him should approve when the remix drop?
To be honest, me never listen to remix.
Me never listen it either. But my take on it, me not think him for approve it.
Why?
Alright, so when Valiant put it out, Zane Valiant a big artist. Me respect Valiant. I don't think Stalk Ashley should even think about if he go on it. Because guess what? If Valiant did want a recognized person, a female, Valiant would have already send it to them. Valiant would need to come on social media. If you
Yeah.
say him need a female.
True.
And this is where me wrong Valiant. If you are going to come on social media and put it out, what you say is that you want an upcoming fresh artist when nobody don't know about.
That's
You
true.
see me? If you come on the rhythm
True.
and remix it. So what you say is that you want to highlight a female when nobody don't know about.
True,
Because you have the whole power to say, all right, you don't have to do that. You can't just direct go to one of the female artists them and say, yo, come on the rhythm.
And the man Stalk Ashley a link already.
All right. So why the fuck you going to tell, why the fuck now Stalk Ashley jump on rhythm and then all of a sudden, you see me? That's why Rvssian say, yo, that will never fucking happen.
And
I'm
not
in a
even-
wrong him.
And not even that neither. What do you basically I know about Stalk Ashley? Like probably 2 years ago. Jada Kingdom I hear about. Jada Kingdom been boss
Bigger than Stalk Ashley.
long time.
Right.
But me I hear, this is what I'm hearing say. A Jada Kingdom's thief Stalk Ashley style and flow. In which if this is somebody boss first this is somebody's style for me.
Right,
Because
right.
this is somebody forced me here with the style. So when Rvssian come and say, yo, you know, want the Timu version of Jada Kingdom, we can understand. You see me? Guy dog say, yo, Stalk Ashley is a knockoff. Stalk Ashley is a knockoff of Jada Kingdom.
We can agree
You see
that.
me? So, him not go approve no Timu shit. You see me? Not calling Stalk Ashley shit, you know, but,
Right.
you know,
Yeah.
he not approve no fake.
Knock off.
He prefer to give Jada.
Jada Kid. Bro,
You see me?
I'm Valiant for blaming on this dog. Valiant
So-
fuck up in this dog. Him should never, Stalk Ashley should never reach pan the rhythm. I'm not say Stalk Ashley big and well, you know, but she established.
Yeah, she established.
She established, right? Them say her career run down and she a try pick it up back and Ray and this
Just
and
like Jashii.
But dog, why you come back with Jashii business, brother?
No,
Wanna
okay,
pass
me
Jashii,
no,
brother?
just I show you say in career they don't they so
Nah, but I give a fuck about Jashii, dog.
don't
You know, so I'm not really busy about that, the man they do.
the
Big man
peasant.
thing.
That's a
I
peasant.
listen to him song, them, but I'm not really business.
No,
I'm
he
not
have,
really-
he have song with me love to you.
Yeah,
know.
you see me? But yeah, Stalk Ashley, no, dog. Should never depend on the rhythm, though. Should never depend on the rhythm. Valiant for blame. Valiant should never even put it there, so. If you put it on social media, it simply mean one thing. You want some fresh upcoming female artists. That way you should stick with.
Yeah, man.
Me not think Rvssian fi approve nothing. Stalk Ashley, stop knock off.
Jada Kingdom.
Yo, Stalk Ashley, you look good still, you know, and you go on with the thing, but yo, you have a far way if you come and see a business setup.
Boy, you know who look good?
Ooh,
That's why foot hype on Madsuss, you know.
Aishana.
Bumbleclad. Last night when we see Aishana up on the stage, boy, for me when I said to me, say, Aishana look good, man. Me say,
Yeah, you're right, say, I hate this, you know.
Yo, bro. Yo.
Big up yourself, dog.
You see me? And you can't expect,
Dog, that if you take up still, you know.
you can't expect, remember say I've been drinking round for the
Big up yourself,
You
yo.
don't know a thing,
To
bro.
success. Hold on to that, I have to pull it. Yo, big
Yeah.
up on yourself, you know, people. Enough respect, enough shout out to the subscribers, them, and the viewers, them. Yo, hit that subscribe button.
Keep sharing. Sharing is caring.